Hello YouTube and friends, this is Abdullah Mahboub. Today I am going to show you how to unlock Gladiator Archer Queen scan. So first of all, you have to go shop and purchase a gold pass for May season. I have already purchased a gold pass, so that's the reason it's not shown here. After that, we have to go in the gold pass icon, then to the rewards, and now you see I have 90-20 marks, means I have this much point. So after that, I'm going with James. Here we go. Buy 18 points to reach the next you are tired. Boy. There we go. Again. Wow! First, I will claim these rewards. 20% training boosts. 15,000 dark elixir. Book of spells. Beggar season bank. And I can't claim 1 million elixirs because I already full of that. Book of Heroes. And now we are going to unlock Neo Gladiator Queen. 1, 2, 3. No! Boys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3. And away we go. Gladiator Queen unlocked. And now we have to select the Queen building, then change the skin. And now, wow, we have a Gladiator Queen, and then select. Let's see this new Queen in the corner side. Come Queen, come Queen. Lovely Queen, come. Queen is coming to her place. Let's put together the King and Queen. Like this. Hey, Gladiator King, come! Oh, let's change my Barbarian King to the Gladiator King as well. It's very cool. Archer Queen already has a new X-Bow. Fabulous. Fantastic. So now I wanna attack with new Gladiator Archer Queen. Let's go find the match. This clan is not good. Oh, let's select from the Goblin map battles. I will select one of these, like that one maybe. Steel Gauntlet. Okay, I will attack on this, no problem. With an Archer Gladiator Queen. Oh my god. Very tight. And the ability is especially improved. Very good. With one Archer Queen and Rage Spell, we can win very easily. So that was Gladiator Queen, friends, and now heal again. And you see it's very great skin. So friends, that was the Archer Queen, new skin, Gladiator Queen unlocking. Hope enjoy my video. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to see new updates.